मेरो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज नेपाली थियो अहिले मात्रै अलिक खराब भएको छ मेरो नेपाली guys oof set life is not for me it's so hectic first celebrity I style was Manisha Koirala which I was very proud because she's from Nepal and such a big figure all over the world
यो
उहाँको कमब्याक फिल्म थियो डियर माया भन्ने
So what is your identity? How do you want to define it? Or you don't want to define it, you want to just keep it covered?
So I'm openly and proudly gay. I think high society मा पनि छ India होस् कि जाओस् any big families उनीहरूको कति pressure हुन्छ कि if you come out your whole family को इज्जत जान्छ so they also have pressure. I only like guys which means that I'm gay and then I tried having a girlfriend and मान्छेहरूले टोक्छ के हो यो कस्तो बिहेभियर हो this that Nikisha Shashtrakku you know she faces कति trolling people still call her Nikesh जबकि you know she's changed her name to Nikisha.
Rangakhbar.com सबै रंग तपाईसँग
स्टुडियोमा पराक्रमजी आइसक्नु भएको छ वेलकम टु द शो
Thank you so much.
You're stylish and also representing LGBTIQA.
Yes.
And next thing you're blogging these days.
Yes.
Okay. अब हाम्रो दर्शकलाई चाहिँ तपाईलाई के भनेर चिनौ?
I think as a blogger and stylist and then LGBT activism is something I do because म त्यही कम्युनिटीबाट छु so I think as an influencer it is my right and duty to you know influence people for the right things and things that matter.
So we can call you social influencer as well.
हजुर yes.
Yeah. Okay, अब let's go back to your memory lane हैन अब यो सबै कुरा त पछि आयो हैन तपाईको फर्स्टमा स्टडीको ब्याकग्राउन्डको कुरा गरौँ मुम्बईमा पढ्नु भयो काठमाडौँमा पनि केही समय पढेर बाहिर जानु भएको थियो हैन so let us know about your education background.
So usually मान्छेले जहिले पनि they ask me like did you not study in Nepal at all? I'm like होइन I born brought up here in Nepal मेरो फर्स्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज नेपाली थियो अहिले मात्रै अलिक खराब भएको छ मेरो नेपाली तर त्यो पछि I studied here till I was 10 years of age त्यो पछि I went to boarding school and there was this whole insurgency going on around 2004-05 and त्यो पछि I've been in India ever since I did my boarding school in Rajasthan त्यो पछि then I wanted to like study and work in Bombay so I did my bachelor's in mass media in Bombay.
Okay, mass communication गर्नुको लागि किन like त्यो other subject and I remember your mother is a prolific figure हैन मेकअप आर्टिस्ट रूपमा उहाँ परिचित हुनुहुन्छ so mass media makeup अनि घरमा अरु पनि प्रोफेसन भएकोहरु हुनुहुन्थ्यो सदस्यहरु why mass media?
So basically at that time I wanted to be a film director so I told my dad I want to be a film director so my dad is like I suggest if you want to get into this field, do a more generic thing. Mass media has a lot of advertising, journalism, everything. You learn a lot. It's like do this for 3 years, and after that, if you still want to pursue your career as a director and want to study more, then you do a master's in film direction. He said, don't start off with doing a bachelor's degree in film direction because then if you want to do something else in life, then you know you may have problems, and which was true because. First year of studying mass media, I realized I don't want to be a film director. There were many other things I wanted to do, so it really worked out.
मैले खास सोध्नु आँटिरहेको थिएँ तपाईँ अझै पनि फिल्म डिरेक्टर गर्ने कि डिरेक्टर बन्ने कि नबन्ने भनेर
Normally, actually,
केले गर्दाखेरि you gave up?
So basically, it was my dream, and I was a big Priyanka Chopra fan back in the days. And it so happened I got lucky that I happened to get an internship for a film called Zanjeer Bhanni film थियो. So I interned for that film, and I realized, oof, set life is not for me. It's so hectic. And directors haru kati kaam garni parcha bihanदेखि राति and they're stressed and they're having coffee and I was like यसो गरे भने I will really age in 2 years 5 वर्ष में I'll be like looking old so I was like
no I get old
yeah and very unprofessional in a way that it was just too hectic I was like this much pressure I can't take so I was like no not for me
okay त्यही भएर चाहिँ you gave up हैन र पनि यहाँले इन्डियामा जुन एक्सपिरियन्स सुनाउनु भयो इन्टर्न गर्ने मौका पाउनु भयो हामीले देखेका छौँ तपाईको पोस्टहरु you have been working with some of the celebrities in India please share गर्नुस् न
so basically college खत्म भएपछि I really wanted to pursue styling so because of that I found a way to join Vogue I did Vogue for 3 months as a trainee त्यो पछि I assisted a lot of stylists celebrity stylists which was very interesting and fun that is something I really had a knack for dressing up women because it's more fun to dress women men ko ke ho okay there's nothing much but women was more fun so I always like aim towards dressing celebrity stylists there was a bunch of celebrities I've styled by myself, the first celebrity I styled was Manisha Koirala, which I was very proud because she's from Nepal and
Yeah.
such a big figure all over the world.
के को लागि गर्नु भएको थियो? For some
यो
event
उहाँको
or-
कमब्याक फिल्म थियो डियर माया भन्ने
त्यसको
त्यसको
तपाईँले गर्नु भयो, that
त्यसको
was the
प्रमोसन्स थियो अनि त्यसको लागि देन सी कन्ट्याक्टेड मी एन्ड इट जस्ट वाज ग्रेट इट वाज माई फर्स्ट बिग असाइनमेन्ट अपार्ट फ्रम द्याट आइभ स्टाइल्ड अ बन्च अफ माई फ्रेन्ड्स अमाइरा दस्तुर आन्या सिंह and I've assisted under Sushant Singh Rajput and a bunch of other actors. So it's been a good journey.
You have mentioned the name, which is in the headline for quite some time, right?
हजुर.
So I think I have to talk about the darker side of Bollywood as well. है तपाईले आफै नाम दिइहाल्नु भयो. So have you ever faced or seen darker side of Bollywood?
So I think this is there is always a dark side of any field you do. Bollywood even more, as in the struggles, the fights. I mean, the fights or the pressure to succeed is way more, and power and fame brings a lot of dark side. But apart from that, I think everyone in today's time is just focused on working and doing good and doing good. They don't have time to be competitive. They just want to do good, look good, feel good. And I think media plays a big role in like making the rest of the people think कि के भइरहेछ यो भइरहेछ त्यस्तो केही त्यति हुन्न त्यति केही छैन कि ओ एक्टर्सहरूले ड्रग्स गरिरहेछ आजकलको जमानामा कसले त्यो गर्दैन एभ्री वान इज spending so much money to make their skin look good. They won't do things like that because on screen you look bad if you have taken drugs, if you're even drinking alcohol. The other actor will look better and they'll do better, So in my experience, I can guarantee you that no one does this though, yeah.
Drug,
Testo, especially the
A
A-listers, no, they don't. They are very focused. They're like, no partying. You don't see them partying. Back in the days, maybe the first 2-3 years you saw them, but nowadays, no one's out. They may meet their own circle, but they're very focused, which I really admire.
Okay. So त्यहाँ एकदमै सबैजना आफ्नो काममा फोकस्ड हुनुहुन्छ अब नेपालमा चाहिँ तपाईँले 2वटा असाइनमेन्ट त गर्नुभयो होइन त्यो 2वटा असाइनमेन्ट गर्दाखेरि यु विल बी हियर फर लङ टर्म अनि अझ धेरै काम गर्छु नेपालमा भन्ने लाग्यो कि लागेन
It's a dream to be home with the people who really love me and support me so much and in a country where I just feel at home. It is my country. But the thing is the work opportunity wise and money wise it's Bombay ma kati dhere cha more opportunities to grow and even in terms of monetary like what I got paid in these 2 assignments in 8 months I get paid for one assignment I get paid more for one assignment in Bombay. So due to that I don't think it's practical for me to stay here but apart from that now that this 8 months I've spent here during the lockdown I've gotten so much love I'll keep coming here for sure.
So नेपालमा चाहिँ normally you come for holidays होइन
Holidays to spend time with family.
Okay.
More than holidays, yeah.
So long term चाहिँ career plan गर्ने सोच्नुहुन्न
अहिले छैन एटलिस्ट मेरो फिल्डमा स्टाइलिङ अनि ब्लगिङमा it's so new the market and money isn't there yet and I really want to if I work hard I want to earn also.
Okay. So TikTokमा you're very popular है
हजुर
Okay. Like why TikTok कसरी यो प्लेटफर्ममा चाहिँ एकदमै लोभ लाग्यो प्लेटफर्म जाउँ ट्राई गरौँ जस्तो लाग्यो त
So 2019 ma before I came to Nepal it was something which was really growing and I was like before that I was like no I will never join TikTok it's just I don't like it. 2019 I was like video editing and that's something growing up as a kid I would always edit videos while others would play sports. So I knew how to edit videos and things. So I was like, let me use this. I'm a content creator. Let me try making video. It's more fun than just posting pictures. So I started and it started slow in India. Ani Nepal aipachi then lockdown bhayo. Then there was family members. There was more space to do things. There were more people around who I could make videos with. And it just took off. It just blew off and...
So firstमा TikTok भयो अनि ब्लगिङमा जानु भएको
मेरो blogging थियो. Last 2 years I've been blogging Instagram but I've been earning money. That's my source of income is through Instagram. And this TikTok was a new platform. Unfortunately it's banned in India. So I can't do much there but for now I'm loving it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you earn out of Instagram?
So basically it's like being an influencer where brands come and pay you because they like you and you have a power to influence and you have a certain engagement. So they give you products to promote and that's how we earn doing collaborations. बाहिरबाट हजुर सबै इन्डियाबाटै Amazon, Sita, keep products like beauty products, clothes, designers. So they pay accordingly.
Okay, कति year भयो यहाँ त्यो start गर्नु भएको?
2017 ma it started. So quite new still.
Okay. So let's talk about the identity.
हजुर।
है एट द एन्ड अफ द डे हामी काम गर्छौँ हामी जन्मिसके पछाडि एउटा आइडेन्टिटी को पछाडि हामी दौडिरहन्छौँ बिट एनी वान फ्रम एलजिबिटिआइक्युए ओर स्ट्रेट होइन सो वाट इज यर आइडेन्टिटी हाउ डु यु वान डिफाइन इट ओर यु डोन्ट वान डिफाइन इट यु वान जस्ट किप इट
So I'm openly and proudly gay, and that's what I define myself as.
सो डु यु रियली थिङ्क नेपालमा चाहिँ योसँग रिलेटेड कुराहरू साँच्चै नै बाहिर आइरहेको छ एन्ड युर भेरी ह्याप्पी टु सी पिपल एडमिटिङ द्याट दे आर नट स्ट्रेट
हजुर. Slowly, I think social media like people are being more aware. They're reading up more and getting educated, and it's helping. Acceptance wise, our society it's deep rooted where they don't accept. They are not happy, comfortable. Also because it's difficult for people like us to face the outer world because of all the stereotypes and the bullying and discrimination that we face. So that's understandable, but improve bhairacha. We have a long way to go, but thanks to social media and the internet, I think many more people are getting a platform to come out and speak up and just understand themselves better.
Okay, so you're from elite group, you're from privileged group, होइन in a way we can say
Privileged
you are
भनौँ,
so त्यो वेमा भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ यसो सोच्नु भएको छ अलिकति लो ग्रेड भन्दाखेरि पनि जसको इकोनोमिक स्टेटस त्यति राम्रो छैन एज कम्पेरिजन टु रिच पिपल यो एलजिबिटी आइक्यूलाई लिएर अलिक त्यहाँनिर चाहिँ बढी प्रब्लम छ अथवा हाई सोसाइटीमा पनि छ वाट डु यु वान्ट टु से
I think high society मा पनि छ इन्डिया होस् कि जाओस् एनी बिग फ्यामिलीज उनीहरूको कति प्रेसर हुन्छ कि इफ यु कम आउट यो होल फ्यामिलीको इज्जत जान्छ सो दे अल्सो हेभ प्रेसर हाउएभर अभियसली इट्स अलवेज मोर डिफिकल्ट फर पिपल हु आर लेस प्रिभिलेज्ड बिकज उहाँहरूको त they don't have any other choice. They're thrown out of the house. They need to be dependent on their family completely. Whereas people like me, like because of the upbringing and the studies and the education I have, I can, even if I'm thrown out of the house, I can at least make my, own mark and like survive. But it's more difficult definitely for people from like who have less economic status. It's difficult for everyone, I have to say it, but it's improving hopefully.
तपाईँको आफ्नै पर्सनल कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि when did you explore that your identity in fact how did you explore that
बच्चादेखि नै मेरो feelings थियो towards guys तर by like class 9th I started reading up and started realizing कि I think I only like guys which means that I'm gay and I always thought कि it's okay to have a girl. I mean it's normal to have a girlfriend and that's how it goes, and I tried having a girlfriend and I was very in love with the fact that I have a girlfriend and all, but later when I just like thought to myself, I was like, I don't have any attraction towards the girl. It's like she's like a friend. So that's when I realized that yeah, I've always liked guys, and yeah, that's me.
So how did you get familiar with this term gay?
This was always there. I grew up being bullied. Gay, you're gay, this, that. So most of the people from our community get bullied because of our behavior and things. So I was always bullied, and we were always, I grew up being like, oh no, I can't be gay, I can't be gay. I was in a boys' school also, so it's more of a taboo there.
Okay,
so,
it was a boys' school.
Yeah, all boys school,
God.
which I enjoyed because it was all boys, but also the bullying was there.
Yeah. Big time bullying.
Big time bullying, and especially because I acted a little effeminate and different, so people couldn't digest that. But I think by class 9th, I was mature enough to tell myself that okay, I am gay. Keep quiet now because you're in a boys' boarding school. You don't want a scandal to happen because back then, even now, I think it's a big issue if you come out when you are so young.
You didn't tell it outly.
No, only to myself. It's only like class 11th when I was like 15, 16, I told my best friend, and then slowly I opened up.
Okay. So, archaic English ma gay ko meaning bhaneko चाहिँ like happy पनि हुन्छ हैन? Is it because you people are always happy, that's why this term is
I
given?
think so. I hope so. Yeah.
त्यस्तो लाग्छ actually.
You're always happy and
jolly mood ma हैन?
I think our personality is very happy, like jolly. But no, I'm sure, we do suffer a lot and we face so much discrimination, but I think that's a way of...
It is because of the mindset we have. त्यही त traditional society भएको कारणले गर्दा त्यो mindsetले गर्दा हो it might take time हैन? तर family acceptance को कुरा गरौँ, family-लाई चाहिँ कहिले भन्नुभयो and how did you confess it to them?
So I think right before I was getting done with school, मेरो 12th को 1-2 महिना बाँकी थियो, and I knew कि अब म बम्बे गइरहेको छु to fulfill my dreams and just be free, and I was like, this is the time to tell my parents. And then one day I was just very upset and I was crying over something, and I was like, I need to tell my parents, they deserve to know, and this I told them. I was very lucky because they were very supportive, and they're like, we're very proud of you. They're like, just come out of school, you have 2 more months in an all boys school, maybe just because you've only been around boys, you haven't had any other attraction or experience with women. I said I respect their opinion, but let me tell you, I am gay, but I will come out to the world once I go out to Bombay. So I went to Bombay 1-2 months, and then I told everyone, and my parents were fine with that.
They were strict, त्यति strict हुनुहुन्थ्यो
Strict,
त्यही भएर सजिलै भयो भन्नुलाई.
Sajilo bhai. Of course, they were worried because like we face so much discrimination and then family talking, this, that. But I told myself, like, if my parents accept me, I don't care about anyone else. मान्छेहरूले टोक्छ के हो यो कस्तो बिहेभियर हो दिस द्याट अनि भलनरेबल छ किनभने उहाँको पेरेन्ट्सहरूले सपोर्ट गर्दैन कि उहाँले दे डोन्ट इन्भल्भ द पेरेन्ट्स बिकज लाइक हो किन हेर यिनीहरूले यो भनिरहेछ कि किन केटी जस्तै कि यस्तो बिहेभ गरिरहेछ सो दे आर बाई देम सेल्स दे डोन्ट हेभ एनी सपोर्ट सिस्टम सो एन्ड दे यङ त भलनरेबल हुन्छ दे आर भेरी भलनरेबल इन फ्याक्ट एन्ड देयर इज नो वान टु टेल देम वाट इज राइट वाट इज रङ सो
In that case, how do you prepare them? I mean, those who are from.
So whenever I see like people from my community like post videos and I know that there's good and I see a lot of comments. I know there's hate, and I make sure that I comment something good, a positive thing, and I guess being verified account it gives some kind of leeway where people see and they're like, okay, my comment gets highlighted. They're like, okay, there's someone appreciating them, which needs to be appreciated. So I try my best whenever I see people who need the love and need the support and just need to know that what they're doing is right. Ani, live your life. You're living your life to the fullest, which is very brave, especially people from our community, if they get to do that. So yeah, I try my best to encourage them in whatever way I can.
पछिल्लो पटक यहाँले कुनै यस्तो केसहरू सोसियल मिडियाबाट थाहा पाउनु भएको एलजिबिटिआइक्यू कम्युनिटीको कोही व्यक्तिहरूलाई नराम्रो भनिएको कुनै
Nikisha Shashtaku, she faces kati trolling. People still call her Nikesh, jabki she's changed her name to Nikisha. But यहाँ मान्छे just don't understand. अहिले they're so गाह्रो भइरहेको understanding what is gay and lesbian that transgender को कुरा आउने they're like के हो बुझेन किन केटा जस्तै किन properly transition भएको छैन किन यो हो they question them and try to ask them why you're not fully like a girl or fully like a boy whereas they don't understand कि कति गाह्रो हुन्छ like Nikisha she's from a background where the family is not supportive and she's not privileged and the family doesn't allow her to fully transition in the sense that she's not allowed to grow her hair fully. She's not allowed to dress up as a woman all the time because her family said, we'll throw you out of the house. Yeah. So tyo garda, she can't. But people should be understanding. People are like, hoy, kina keta se lugar laira ta, keta ho ki keti. And the trolling is just crazy. And early recently, someone had made a video where they were trolling her in public. And
police case ne bhaat thiyo.
Police case ne bhaat thiyo. And it was quite disturbing. Hopefully, there were a lot of people who spoke up. I also spoke up about this matter. And I urged so many celebrities to speak up, and they also spoke up. And so, I mean, at least it brings awareness to people that if you make fun of people from us, from our community, you aren't going to get away easy. You will get a saza. And police was also there to make sure that action was taken. Those people did learn the lesson, but the thing is, one needs to... education is system just only but you grow up learning these things are very normal and there's nothing wrong in it.
Okay, so अघि भनिहाल्नुभयो यहाँ त सोसल इन्फ्लुएन्सहरू पनि भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि यहाँले जे पोस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ त्यो टक अफ द टाउन भइसक्छ होइन पहिला पो त मेन स्ट्रिम मिडिया थियो टाइम लाग्थ्यो कसैलाई केही भन्नलाई आजकल ओभरनाइट बनिरहेको छ होइन स्पेसली तपाईँहरूको केसमा चाहिँ यदि सोसियल मिडिया यति धेरै नभएको भए अलिकति जेन्डर इस्युलाई लिएर कुराहरू सम्झाउनको लागि सजिलो हुने परिवारहरूलाई पनि धेरै इफेक्ट नपर्ने हुन्थ्यो कि किनभने जसले पनि सोसियल मिडिया चलाउँछ अनि कसैले आफ्नो छोराछोरीलाई के भनिरहेछ भनेर उनीहरूले पनि हेर्न मिल्छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट हुन्छ अनि पेरेन्ट्स हर्ट भइसके पछाडि एउटा कन्डिसन निस्किन्छ सक्छ होइन यहाँलाई लाग्छ यो सोसियल मिडियाले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलि बढी चाहिँ समस्या भएको इट्स नट लाइक अ फ्रेन्ड बट मच लाइक अ फो.
Yeah, for sure. Just as much as it is a friend, it is also a foe because, like you said, vulnerable people can be exposed to cyberbullying. So many things. Aajkal, at least hamra part of the world, there is censorship. Banda pani like kids can watch TikTok, which is actually kind of dangerous. I mean, if you don't have parental guidance, you can watch videos where kiki bhairacha, So there needs to be a lot of control in terms of बच्चाहरूले के हेर्न सक्छ अनि कसले के हेर्न सक्छ तर नट सेन्सरशिप बिकज आई थिङ्क we should be allowed to express ourselves in any way, but like the guidance for children, the definitely there has to be some law where it's more strict.
Okay, let's talk about some cine celebs or any celebs from Nepal होइन बाहिर पनि तपाईँले काम गर्नुभएको छ यहाँनिर नेपालमा चाहिँ who do you know personally or who do you follow कुनै celebs हुन सक्छ नेपालबाट
There are many of the female actors and personalities.
स्टाइलको बेसिसमा who do you remember? Take 5 names that you remember.
Stylish people who I know or remember.
Remember, like even if you do not know them personally, style भनेबित्तिकै नेपालमा यो मान्छे स्टाइलिश छ टाइप
Yeah, I think I find Samragi very stylish. Anna Sharma is very stylish. Priyanka Karki, she's always very like pretty looking good, dressed up well. Who else is there? Aditi Burathoki, I like her style as well. And Paramita, I think she's very stylish. She's got good fashion sense.
Can you please pick 5 of them whose style has to be worked on?
I can't think of, you know, honestly, I think everyone is very good because Nepal, everyone dresses up very well. So that'll be very rude to say.
So नेपालमा मुभी हेर्नुहुन्छ कि हुँदैन
Movie त्यति हेर्दैन म्युजिक भिडियोज धेरै हेर्छु movies somehow I've been disappointed with most of the movies, at least the ones जसको म्युजिक भिडियोज राम्रो छ but
लास्ट टाइम नेपाली मुभी कुनै हेर्नु
last time मैले हेरेको was very nice actually. It was अरे what is it? Kabaddi होइन Kabaddi.
Okay, Kabaddi or Kabaddi?
The first one.
Okay.
The first part.
Long time back.
Long time back. त्यो पछि I watched 1, 2 त्यो chick flick films. Music videos and all कस्तो राम्रो देखेको but the film, the direction, I think something went wrong with the direction. All the time it goes wrong. But Kabaddi just the films haru kasto ramro huncha, and I'm sure there are many films like that which I haven't watched, but Kabaddi, Sungava, just the films are really interesting.
Okay, so नेपालमा कस्तो खालको फिल्म बन्छ कस्तो खालको बन्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ
I think budget is never important. Only thing that needs to be worked upon is direction. किनभने actors are great. Visuals त हाम्रो country कस्तो राम्रो छ in any part of Nepal, it just looks beautiful. I think the end result is what matters. Direction भएर पनि sometimes editing गडबड हुन्छ अनि कहिले dialogue delivery राम्रो हुन्न. Maybe the dubbing is something actors aren't taught or they don't focus on because they're focusing on acting and looking good. So त्यो अलि के गरेर those are the few things that need to be fixed. Apart from that, I think we are doing well. Definitely we are doing well. Kasto ramro chali raha cha. I'm obsessed with all the Nepali songs and the videos.
Okay, Nepali song. Do you sing Nepali song? I know you have been doing like TikTok ma the Nepali song ma हैन.
No, I don't sing.
With your family हैन मज्जाले गरिरहनु भएको हुन्छ. कुन चाहिँ like गीत you remember?
So many kati ram new songs to Lajavati Jhar. Kasto nice. It was so beautiful. And this Barsha Raut ko Aao Wara aile recent chali raha cha. Aao Wara. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
That fun one. And kati lovely ones, and the Chatta Rumal also is fun. Basically, I've always liked these songs, and then now TikTok ma I enjoy doing Nepali songs instead of Hindi because I'm like Hindi ko taba now. I love the songs, but I don't want to act. But Nepali gana ma maja aunछ, feel aunछ.
Thank you so much यहाँको टाइमको लागि
Likewise.
धेरै मजाको चाहिँ च्याट
Oh, I hope so.
I want to continue it so I think we'll have next sitting to
Yes.
talk on other stuff too.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Praise is all ours. Thank you so much.
Thank you.